always look like they have the perfect hair and skin, right? But behind the makeup and more are flaws just like the rest of us. Today, celebrity makeup artist Mickey Williams is here, and she's going to show us how we can cover up and look like a sensational star. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Well, you look great as always, so you know all the secrets. I know you do, and you've worked with a lot of stars. What's the #1 thing that they do in order to make their skin beautiful and glowing?
Everybody has kind of an uneven skin tone, and definitely in Phoenix you see a lot of that. You see a lot of uneven skin tone, whether it be sunspots, age spots, you name it. And there's really been an approach that people took to this. They would have to go to a dermatologist, they would have to get something called hydroquinone, and then a couple of reports have reported that could have been a little bit toxic. So enter Lumixyl. This is actually a really cool new product. How it works is it has their brightening cream, and it works to kind of work down all of those age spots, all of that, the sun damage, but it does it naturally, and you don't have to worry about, if you're using it with a different product, like if you're using it with a retinoid or you're using it with any other kind of skin cream, because it works with everything.
Oh, that's good, because I know a lot of the ones that fade the spots can be really drying.
Extremely drying. Nope, it's unbelievable, super smooth. You just put it on and it sinks right into the skin.
Is this like a system that you use?
Yes, the brightening cream is $120, which actually is quite affordable considering the products that are out there for this. The whole entire system, which has a glycopeel of 20, a glycopeel 20, which really just takes off the skin to where you can get right into the, the heart of that spot. The whole system together is $270, which could be a little bit steep for some, but just for the brightening cream, it's about $120, and you can find it at Lumixyl.com, lovelyskin.com.
Okay.
And something you can do without having to go to the doctor's office.
Yeah, and we have all different price ranges. On the other end, you brought in some different lotions here that are super affordable.
This is really cool, because Dial's always been like a soap company. This is brand new. This is their lotion company. This is their lotion product. And what's so cool about it, this is their Nutri-Skin lotion. It's their first lotion, but what's really amazing is it targets basically giving that nutrients back to the skin, getting that glow back to your skin. It's not just a moisturizer. It has minerals, it has vitamins, all those nutrients you need. And again, has a variety of options for women, but it also has the manly scent.
I know, my husband always grabs the man stuff, and then I'm like, I can't use that.
But it
I guess that's how
good.
he, does the fruit stuff. All right, what is this?
Okay, foundations.
That's so important.
Huge concern for lots of people. This is CoverGirl. This is their Nature Luxe Silk Foundation, and this is amazing because what they did is they took out a lot of those really chemical or harsh additives that kind of we find in a lot of foundations. They added things like cucumber and rose hips extract, and it's unbelievable. And the colors, you have a wide variety of colors, but what's so cool is wait till you move that into your skin.
Okay.
It is so silky, and it has a great amount of pigment, so you're still going to get a lot of coverage.
I like the coverage.
Such an amazing finish, and it's so silky. I love that.
It's kind of matte, not too shiny.
Like
very good. Wow, that covers a lot.
I know, it's
all
perfect.
Right. Can't
so
see my
that's
veins
great,
anymore.
and it's $11.99.
This is cool.
Really cool. This is Physicians Formula Eye Booster. What's so cool about it is it's a liner and serum in one. You've got 3 shades, but it's going to do everything that everyone worries about. They want to enhance their lashes. Fantastic in a liner form, but it comes in 3 shades, and it's that Japanese formula that does not move. It's also the thinnest tip I've found in a drugstore product. You can get it right into that little groove and enhance your lashes as much as you want.
I would use it every day.
Unbelievable. $10.95.
$10.95. Okay, and finally,
Keratin Earth. This is amazing. Everybody, I've blown out so many heads of hair, and when keratin treatments came around, it made my life so much
it's like
easier.
the new thing, but it can be expensive. This is like the affordable version.
This is $79.99. You're not paying $300 in a salon. You're doing it to yourself. If you can iron your hair, you can do this. It's formaldehyde-free, which is a big beauty buzz right now. Works on all hair types. It lasts about 30 days to 3 months. Works best on the wavier hair. It's fantastic. On hair like mine, it made it so smooth and so shiny. It was
and easier to blow out, I heard, too. So
manageable.
Great. Well, thanks so much. Always good to see you. Great products. For more information, MickeyWilliamsBeauty.com.